Welcome to Baton Rouge. My name's John with Enjoy Baton Rouge Walking Tours, and today I want to tell you about the Pentagon Barracks here in Baton Rouge. These were built between 1818 and 1824 to serve as barracks for the U.S. Army based here in Baton Rouge. Beautiful buildings. Originally there were 5 buildings laid out in a pentagon shape. Today there are 4 that remain. They're still in use today. The Lieutenant Governor of Louisiana has an office in the Pentagon Barracks. Legislators use the apartments, use them as apartments there. Now the Pentagon Barracks has had many uses. Started off as the barracks for the U.S. Army. Then around 1886, they were given to Louisiana State University, and this campus became the campus of LSU. Then in 1926, LSU moved to its current location. In 1930, this was a location where the new state capitol was built. It's still our current state capitol. Pentagon Barracks, a beautiful place that you'll want to see when you're in Baton Rouge. So come on, y'all, enjoy Baton Rouge.